Hello everyone. Welcome back to Newton Academy. In this session, we will cover the most important answer in one sentence short questions entirely from an exam perspective. ये ऐसे सवाल हैं जो अक्सर आपकी परीक्षाओं में पूछे जाते हैं और इन्हें पक्का करके आप आसानी से पूरे अंक ला सकते हैं. Make sure to keep your notebooks ready and let's get started. 1. Which type of currency is used in the form of money in present time? Answer. In present time coins, currency notes and plastic currency is used in the form of money. 2. By whom have described economics of Chanakya and explained the existence and significance of accounting? Answer. Indian historians have described economics of Chanakya and explained the existence and significance of accounting. 3. How many different branches of accounting are there? Which are they? Answer. There are 3 main branches of accounting. 1. Financial accounting. 2. Cost accounting. 3. Management accounting. 4. What does transaction and event disclose for the business? Answer. Transaction discloses an act done by the business. Event represents a situation or result created from transaction. 5. What is internal liability of a business? Answer. Amount payable by the business to the owner is called internal liability of a business. 6. What is called revenue? Answer. Revenue is recognized when the goods or services are sold to the customers. 7. What is stock? Answer. Stock means surplus of goods from purchase. 8. What is creditor? Answer. A person to whom the amount is payable is known as creditor. 9. What is called cost? Answer. To produce any product or to provide any service, whatever expenses are required, the sum of these expenses is called cost. 10. Explain the different bases of maintaining accounts. Answer. There are 3 different bases used for maintaining the accounts. 1. Mercantile base. 2. Cash base. 3. Mixed base or hybrid method. 11. How many steps are there to prepare accounts? Answer. There are 6 steps to prepare accounts. 12. Which type of transactions and which type of discount are not recorded in the books of accounts? Answer. Non-economic transactions and trade discount are not recorded in the books of accounts. 13. Which asset is not including in liquid asset? Answer. Stock is not including in liquid asset. 14. Which assets cannot be converted into cash? Answer. Fictitious assets cannot be converted into cash. 15. What does drawings indicate? Answer. Drawings indicates capital reduction. 16. Give the example of internal liability of business. Answer. Capital is an internal liability of business. 17. What is the full form of SEBI? Answer. Securities and Exchange Board of India is the full form of SEBI. 18. Explain the full form of IRDA. Answer. Insurance Regulatory Development Authority is the full form of IRDA. 19. Which term is used as synonym of bookkeeping? Answer. Accounting term is used as synonym of bookkeeping. 20. What is the full form of 8PA? Answer. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants is the full form of ECPA. 21. Explain the full form of ASC. Answer. American Standards Council is the full form of ASC. 22. Which type of science accounting is? Answer. Accounting is a social science. 23. Which term is used as synonym of profit? Answer. Gain is used as synonym of profit. 24. How is cash discount determined? Answer. After deduction of trade discount from sales purchase price, cash discount is determined. 25. According to historians, who is considered as the father of the double entry system? Answer. According to historians, the mathematician of Italy Luca Pacioli is considered as the father of the double entry system. 26. Which is the second step to prepare accounts? Answer. Identification of transaction is the second step to prepare accounts. 27. Which is very popular base to prepare accounts under double entry system? Answer. Mercantile base is very popular to prepare accounts under double entry system. 28. Generally, from where does the bills receivable and bills payable emerge? Answer. Generally, bills receivable emerges from debtors, while bills payable emerges from creditors. 29. Which is non-cash expense of the business? Answer. Depreciation is non-cash expense of the business. 30. Give the example of receivables. Answer. Debtors, bills receivable, outstanding incomes, prepaid expenses, given loan, advances, etc. are examples of receivables. 31. Which word is popular for loss in practice? Answer. Deficit word is popular for loss in practice. 32. Which is non-recurring expense? Answer. Fictitious asset is non-recurring expense. 33. Explain the types of accounting systems. Answer. There are two types of accounting systems methods in practice. 1. Deshi Nama system. 2. Double entry system. 34. Who provides capital to the business? Answer. Owner provides capital to the business. 35. What is bad debt for business? Answer. Bad debt is a loss for business. It is not an expense of business. 36. What is stable value of money? Answer. Asset which was purchased in past. If the same asset can be purchased in future for reconstruct and its value is same, then it is called stable value of money. Practically, this is not possible. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Newton Academy for more educational content.